I'm presenting you a Rumba course for a beginner level. Hi, my name is Esther Vélez. I'm the director of the dance school Estudio Flamenco Sevilla and of this online project too. With this course you are going to learn a choreography by rumbas. It is a choreography of a singer called Niña Pastori. The song is called De Boca en Boca from her album Joyas Propias. It is a simple choreography addressed to a beginner level. Students who take this course needn't have very advanced knowledge about flamenco dance, but they should have basic notions like basic techniques of zapateado, basic knowledge about arms and body positions, and have basic notions about binary rhythm or 4x rhythm. And from here we open the foot and the arm does the same than the foot. It stays in this position and the left goes up from inside and stays in this position. And make it again. In this course you're working on the rhythm, on specific steps like marcajes, remates, paseos, which you could use in any rumba afterwards. You will be able to make a 5 minutes choreography. It's a very well-known and popular choreography which encourages you to dance.